Importante po ang life vest.
Dahil #vacation mode kami, pahinga rin muna ang aming mga race cars. Kailangan natin mag-gear up.
Kaya iba muna yung aming sasakyan.
Different ride, pero mabilis din sa dagat.
Para safe palagi kasi alam niyo naman, minsan, pag may impact, masakit.
Ouch.
So, first time ako nag-banana.
Really?
No joke lang.
Paniwala siya.
Really?
Ganun ba yun?
Sabihin ko pa naman sa camera pa lang eh.
Grabe guys, first time.
Okay, let's ride the banana.
Boat trip! Boat trip! Boat trip! From boat trip to road trip, road trip! Banana boat trip! Banana! Ready? Get set? Go! Ako ang pinaka-tumitilik. Nilagay nila ako sa harap. Buti na lang sanay ako kasi kapag pati family ko nagbabanana boat, ako lagi nilalagay sa harap. Hindi nyo ba alam na kapag nasa harap, yun ang pinaka-struggle? Kasi lahat ng splash sa'yo mararamdaman, tas yung unang turn, ikaw makakaramdam. Ako yung pinaka-tumitilik.
Hirap kaya humawak sa banana boat ng isang kamay lang. It's really fun kasi parang yung medyo tumatalon-talon ka, ganyan.
Mabilis talaga. I think yung boat driver or, I don't know, captain was trying to make us really fall. He's trying his hardest talaga. Parang nag-teamwork kami. Olin! Pag si Kuya. Tapos yun. So you have to try really hard and then we just flipped.
Pagkalaglag ko, si Ate Joyce sumalong ganon sa akin. So, nung bandang nasa tubig na kami, eto si Ate Joyce, eto ako. Sabi ko, may tao sa taas. Tapos bigla niya na lang yung lumangoy. So, okay lang, pero masakit lang yung likod ko eh. Pero okay lang, fun naman. Sabi niya, I am so sorry, baby girl. Tapos niyayakap niya ako. Ang hirap ng life is minsan.
Di medyo graceful si Joyce, but I helped her get up. Ella was fine, and it was just really a lot of fun between all of us and another parang bonding experience, you know. It's something normally, di ba, you do halimbawa with your barkada or your family, but to do it with complete strangers who I never met until really yung last 2 days dito sa Batangas.
No. Kiss mo. Yay, high five. Boom, that's how you do it. That's how you start a banana boat ride. Let's make it too. Kilala ang Batangas sa kanilang magagandang diving spot na makikita sa iba't ibang bayan gaya ng Lian, Nasugbu, Laia at dito sa Mabini.
Kaya naman heto na kami at hindi na kami makapaghintay sumisid.
Snorkeling here in Anila will always be the best, I'd like to think. Sobrang dami mong makikitang creatures. And the marine biodiversity is very lush talaga. So ako, madami akong nakita ng iba't ibang klaseng fish.
Nakita ko si Nemo. As in, natuwa ako kasi nakita ko yung mismong bahay ni Nemo. Tapos, nung nilapitan ko siya, lumabas lahat ng Nemo, nakatingin sa camera. So, parang ganun daw pala yun, ang clownfish. Pag nilapitan mo, talagang lalapit din sa'yo, tapos titingin sa'yo. Sobrang cute.
It's true that when you're underwater, feeling mo nasa ibang dimension ka.
Everywhere you go around here in Anilao especially, you just got to see a lot of fish, a lot of beautiful coral, and the water was very flat, so it was super easy to get around today, and I enjoyed every bit.
Nakita ko si Nemo!
I saw Dory.
I saw lots of corals and fish that I don't know the name of. That was really fun.
It's been a whole day of SSS, sun, sand, and sea.